Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the complete set of frequently asked Playwright with JavaScript interview questions and answers. Okay, so if you want this PDF, I have given a link in the description and also in the comment section. Please do check out. Okay, and let me know if you have any queries or questions in the email or through comment section. Okay, so let's get started. The initial set of questions are about the setup and configuration and introduction. Okay, so what is a Playwright and why was it used? Why we use it over Selenium? How do you install Playwright in a new project? What are all the important CLI commands in Playwright? Explain every option in playwright.config.js file. What are the differences between timeout, action timeout and expect.timeout? What is the project structure of a Playwright project? And in the section 2, let's talk about the locators. Okay, what are all the locator strategies in Playwright and their priority order? What is a strict mode in Playwright locators? What is the difference between page.locator and page.dollar? Which should you use? And the next section we talk about the all actions. What is auto wait and what actionability checks does Playwright perform? What is the difference between fill and type methods? How do you handle iframes in Playwright? How do you handle multiple windows and new tabs in Playwright? How do you handle browser dialogs like alert, confirm and prompt? Okay, and in the next section let's speak about the waits. Okay, explain auto wait in Playwright. What does it check before an action? When would you use explicit waits despite auto wait? And in the next section let's speak about the assertions. What is the difference between expect dot to be visible and locator dot is visible? What are soft assertions and when do you use them in Playwright? And in the section 6, let's speak about the page object model. Why do we use page object model and what problem does it solve? What is a base page and why do you create one? And in the next section, let's speak about the API testing concepts. Can Playwright test APIs and how does it compare to rest assured? How do you mock network responses using page.route? Okay. In the next section, let's speak about the fixtures and hooks. What is the difference between before all and before each? What are Playwright fixtures and how are they better than before each? What is a storage state and how does it speed up test suites? And in the next section, let's speak about the reports and CI/CD concepts. What reporters does Playwright support? Okay, after reporting question, so how do you set up Playwright in GitHub Actions CI? What is test sharding and how does it work? In the next section, let's speak about the advanced topics. How do you write data-driven tests in Playwright? What is page.evaluate and when do you use it? How do you run tests in parallel and control the worker count? And the 10 concept interview questions goes like, what is the difference between Playwright and Selenium? What is the browser context? How does Playwright handle async? And what is the Playwright test runner and jest or mocha difference? How do you handle flaky tests? What is the difference between page, context and browser? How do you test mobile devices in Playwright? What is page.add init script? What is a trace and how do you use it for debugging? What is forbid only? Process.end.ci in config. Okay, and this is a cheat sheet for quick reference, which contains most important commands for interviews as well as to work in real-time projects. Okay, so that's all I had for this call. I have uploaded this interview preparation kit in the this document in the interview preparation kit. Please do check out and let me know if you have any queries or questions. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview. Stay tuned for more updates and happy learning and happy testing. Thank you.